welcome back, guys. Today what we're gonna do is we're gonna make easy peasy chicken curry, right? Quickly. All my friends that are working mothers, they're all saying we want easy recipe, quickly to do things. There are hundreds of recipes of chicken curry, right? And how I'm gonna do it, there's no hard and fast rule of chicken curry. How I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna show you a quicker way of doing it. Planning and preparation is a crucial part of anything you do, right? On a weekend, cut some onion, crush them and put in a container, and some garlic, ginger, crushed and put in a container, and I've got some green chili crushed already here. So what I've taken is 500 grams of chicken breast, some bay leaves, we've got cloves, we've got some anise seeds, and we got a cinnamon stick. We got some coriander powder, and we have got jeera powder, right? So that's what we've got. So we're gonna show you easy peasy how to do it. We have cut the half a kilo of chicken into cubes, and all what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some water in it. So the chicken is drowned in the water. So all we're gonna do is you're gonna put it at the back burner to boil. So that's boiling there. Then put some oil in it. There you go. We don't want to put too much oil because then it becomes too fattening. It's not much oil. If you look at it, it's about 2 or 3 tablespoons. So that's about it really. So that's really enough because chicken has its own fat as well. So gonna put them in there. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put cinnamon and cloves in it. So just break them very slightly. That's gone in. Piece of cinnamon, that goes in there as well. Anise seed, a broken piece of anise seed, that goes in. So now we're gonna put 2 or 3 bay leaves. They're my favorite. That goes in there as well. And they're nicely sizzling. Wow. So now we're gonna put is this grounded onions. So what we're gonna do is, so 1, 2, 3, or 4 big tablespoons, right, of onions gone in. While this is sizzling, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a teaspoon of ginger, right, and a teaspoon of garlic. So like I said, there's no hard and fast rule. If you don't like too much ginger, then put half a spoon. If you don't like too much garlic, then put a half a spoon instead of 1 spoon, yeah? So that's sizzling. While this is sizzling, right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make our rice. So I've taken a glass of rice, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill it up. A lot of water in it, right? So basically it is, right, it's more than drowned. So quite, say, if it's 1 glass of rice, just put 4 glasses of water in it. And then we're gonna put it at the back and let it boil. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make everything together, right? So a spoon of salt goes in here. So 1 glass of rice, you can put 2 spoons of salt. So that goes in. So, and now we got chicken sizzling at the back, boiling at the back, and then we got rice boiling at the back. In the meantime, we're making a gravy of our chicken, yeah? So this is all about saving time when you're working people, or when you come home within half an hour, the dinner is ready, right? So that's what I'm trying to do, to show you how quickly we can do things, right? Rather than ordering a takeaway. So a takeaway will take you half an hour, 45 minutes to arrive. Within that time, your curry is ready, your meal is ready, right? And you can enjoy nice, authentic Indian curry, right? So I'm not saying you shouldn't order from a takeaway. You must order from takeaway, but obviously you can't eat takeaway every day. You know, something you want to cook as well. And cook together, husband and wife together, because it is really, really bonding time and it's rewarding, right? And you're spending time together as well, because you've been at work all day, so you want to spend time with each other, right? So it's getting there. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this on the side, you know, take it all on the side, and you've got some excess oil, and I'm going to put slightly oil on the side here just to cook my turmeric, yeah? So half a spoon of turmeric, just put it on the side here, yeah? And cook it, because this must cook. There you go. That's it. Mix it. And we're going to put chili, right? So about half a spoon, right, of chili. I don't like red chilies, right? And I always say in all my videos, right, I don't like red chili. So green chili goes in. If you like more chili, then put some more green chili, right? And there's 200 grams of tomatoes, right, which I've grated it and put it into, that goes in there. Look at that. So while this is done, getting done, what we're going to do is we're going to put jeera powder, that goes in, and the coriander powder, that goes in too. So look at that. The gravy is done, right? Nearly done, right? If you look at it here, at the back, chicken is nearly done too, my friend. Right, look at that. Let's have a look. Look at that. It's nearly done, right? So we're going to let that boil for another 2 minutes. And while this is going on, this is the part of the tomato. I'm going to put some water in, clean this up. Right. There you go. Right, now we're going to put a bit of the salt. So 1 teaspoon, yeah? That does. Look at that. Let's have a look at the chicken. So you take one piece out, right? Cut in the middle. Look at that. The chicken is done, right? Switch that off. This is also sizzling. The gravy is already ready. Guys, as you see, the oil is coming on the top, right? And that means your gravy is ready. So, just a tip, right, for the chicken, right? Do not let the chicken on the pan, on the boil, more than 5 minutes, because chicken gets cooked very, very quickly, right? because this is a farm chicken and they got cooked really within 5 minutes. You see this, right? Chicken is really ready. So we're just gonna wash this. Here, drain all the water. Drain all the water. There you go. And then wash you again. So this is all done for you, right? So now we're gonna put the chicken in here. The chicken curry is ready, guys. Look at that. Right? Look at that. It's already ready. Right? So, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a bit of masala in it. One teaspoon of masala, garam masala, goes in. And coriander, already chopped off in the fridge to save time, right? On a weekend, Sunday, cut your coriander, put it in your fridge, right? To save time. So I've already got some coriander here. So wash them. And that goes in here. There you go. Friends, chicken curry is ready, right? Look at that. Wow. I cooked this less than 10 minutes. Less than 10 minutes, the chicken curry is ready, right? Let's look at our rice. Put this back on the back burner. And put the gas really minimum as possible, right? So we don't want all the gravy evaporated, right? So let's look at our rice. Rice are not done yet because it was on a very low heat, so we're going to need to put the heat up and let it put it in a boil. When the rice starts to boil, all you do is just take one piece of rice out and taste it. And it is not fully done. Slightly, very slightly when it's raw, then you stop the gas, you switch off the gas. Now if you look at it here, the rice is done and all the rice start floating on the top. And you take one out and try it. It's nearly done, right? So when you switch it off, and what we're going to do is we're going to sieve it. And just put it on the top of this and cover it with a foil. Make sure all excess water is being drained. Yeah? And I cover it with leave it for 2 or 3 minutes. Your rice is ready, your chicken is ready. There you go. The chicken curry is ready. So everything's been cooked less than 20 minutes. So this is how easy it is, right? There's loads of recipes out there of like a lot of complicated recipes like chicken curry, this, that, and other, chicken korma, chicken jalfrezi, but this is quite simple. Balanced diet. Chicken is protein, rice is carbohydrates. So simple. So we're gonna plate it now and I'll show you how it looks. Ready to plate up. There we go. So we're gonna ready to plate up. rice are ready. Look at that, it's beautifully done. All you do is make it a bit of fancy, put it into one of the small dish, just put it in here, and we make our style of it, right? There you go. What you do is put it back on here. Wow, look at that. Right, I'm gonna put some chicken here now. Let's try a bit of chicken. Look at that. There you go. Bit of a lemon on it. Right, let's taste it. Wow. Bit of lemon on the top, it brings a really extra kick on it. Really, really. If you need more chili, you have a bite of a chili. Alright guys, thank you very much. For next time, bye for now, enjoy yourself and keep on cooking. Thank you.